Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Unbounce to your marketing site with custom CSS, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Unbounce account. Navigate to the landing page you want to customize. Click on the Edit button to open the page builder. Locate the Style Sheets section in the left sidebar. Click on Add Style Sheet to open a new window. Choose Custom CSS from the drop-down menu. In the text area, you can begin to write your custom CSS code. If you need to target specific elements, inspect your marketing site using a web browser's developer tools. Identify the class or ID of the elements you want to modify. Use this information to create CSS selectors in your custom code. Test your CSS code in the preview mode to see how it affects your page. Adjust your code as necessary to achieve the desired look and feel. Once satisfied, save your changes to the style sheet. To further integrate with your marketing site, you may want to add specific fonts or styles. Ensure that all custom styles are responsive for different devices. Check the final appearance on both desktop and mobile views. Once everything looks good, publish your changes. Refresh your marketing site to see the updates live. Review the integration to make sure all elements are displaying correctly. Make any final adjustments if needed. Your Unbounce landing page is now connected to your marketing site with custom CSS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.